A beautiful neck is also very important to achieve a youthful, radiant appearance. That's why in South Korea, people have a separate skincare routine for their necks. In this video, we will walk you through the step-by-step process of a full effective neck care routine. Step 1. Double cleanse your neck. Start by using an oil-based cleanser to remove sweat, dirt and impurities. Then, use a water-based cleanser to clean it for the second time. This method makes your neck bright, clear and prepared to absorb additional products you want to add to your neck care routine. Likewise, Koreans use this method for their skincare routine as well. Step 2. Apply a toner. Now it's time to hydrate your neck with a toner. This helps balance the skin pH of your neck and clean it for the third time. To maximize the benefits, apply toner by simply soaking a cotton pad or ball with the product and then gently rubbing it across your neck and chest. Step 3. Apply an anti-aging cream. Use an anti-aging cream to minimize fine lines and wrinkles. Make sure to be gentle with this area and use suitable products, as this area has a very sensitive, delicate skin and is prone to redness and irritation. There are many good neck creams you can choose from in the market. Step 4. Massage your neck. Massage your skin using a neck or massage roller. Neck rollers help boost blood circulation to the area. This allows for better skin nourishment and can help to improve your skin's elasticity and softness. The massaging motions also promote greater lymphatic drainage, reducing inflammation or any puffiness in the skin. Regular use of a neck roller can help improve the appearance of the neck, particularly in terms of reducing wrinkles and lines, and overall promoting healthy and radiant skin. Step 5. Protect the neck from sun. Protect the neck with an SPF sunscreen. It can help protect the delicate skin on the neck from the sun's damaging effects. This protection helps in reducing the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, and other signs of aging on the neck. Additionally, a proper neck SPF sunscreen can also help preserve the skin's natural color and texture, ensuring that your neck remains smooth, supple, and radiant. Lastly, additional information on neck care. As with any routine, consistency is key. Follow these steps daily to see optimal results. Additionally, drink more than enough water and avoid smoking to further boost skin care and overall health. It is also important to note that choosing the correct products is crucial for achieving desired results. Pay attention to the ingredients in the products you use, avoiding any irritants or toxins that can be harmful to your skin. What are your thoughts on the video? Tell us in the comments below, and thanks for watching.